Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys can see in the title, I have an unboxing for you guys. Today I am going to be opening my first box of Boxy Charm. This is the month of January and I'm so excited. I've seen so many good reviews about it. Alright beauties, so this box is a monthly subscription. You pay $25. I think it's worth more than $100 for sure. So I am going to be unboxing this for you guys. I am so excited. I have not opened this. I've been tempting to, but I haven't. So let's start this. So what do you get? It's a box like this. You get a card. This is the theme of this month, is that breaking of ice. So this is all the, let me put this down for a minute. So you get, let me see, I'm not going to read what it is, so I'm just going to count like how many products we get. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 products, and I don't think it tells you the amount, like everything, how much is, well, it tells you the price of every each item that you get, but it doesn't tell you like a total. So I'm going to put it right here, the total of that. And before I open this, I'm going to let you know that I got 2 extra items just because I got subscribed on January, and they were having like a deal that you get like a eyeshadow palette and like 3 brushes. So that doesn't come in the subscription, but it's inside of it. So right we open this, we get these are the brushes. You get 3 of these. You get a sleeping mask. You get a Too Faced highlighter, a mascara, a volumizing mascara, and here's one palette, and here's another one. I'm going to be going through the list right now. So first, I'm going to be reviewing the Too Faced Cosmetics. This is the Diamond Light Highlighter. So it looks like this. The net weight is 12 grams or 0.42 ounces. Oh, look, and you get like a little one. So it's really nice packaging. The shade that I got, it's called Fancy Pink Diamond. Ooh, and it looks like this. I'm going to swatch it. Really cute. I don't know if you guys can really see it with this lighting, but it's really cute. It literally is like gold with pink. It's super cute, and this retails for $36. The next items that we have is the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm wondering what color are inside. Alright, so it's really nice packaging. It reminds me of the Morphe and Jeffree Star collab. That's like the material of what it is. Oh my goodness, these colors are really cute. So you get some yellows, some oranges, browns, and blues. I really like the yellows and the browns. Those are my go-to colors. I don't really use the blue ones, but I'm going to be swatching some for you guys. It's nice. We get a really nice mirror. This retails for $34.99. So I'm going to be swatching. Okay, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Like, look, they're really nice. So now I'm going to clean my hands, and I forgot a wipey. Alright, so now I clean my hands. I'm going to be doing some shimmers. I'm just going to do 3. Oh my god, this is literally a Cinderella color. Like, it's so pretty. Oh yeah, they're really nice. All right, so the next that we have is the Trip for 2. This is from the brand Wonder. Ooh, the packaging is really nice. It reminds me of leather basically. All right, so it looks like this. You get a really nice mirror. You get a blush and a highlighter. They are really cute. I'm going to do some swatches for you. That's how they look. Really nice. Really nice. This retails for $36. Okay, so basically it's a lot of, like, this is looking really good. This box looks really good. It's every item is like more than $25 and I only paid $25, so that is really good. So the next item that we have is this one. This is a little bit small. It's a 1 ounce, 1.69 ounces, and it's the brand Aviant. I think that's how you pronounce it. All right, this is the 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. Oh my god. Okay, so this retails for $107, guys. Okay, I never heard about this brand, but I'm going to look this up and see if it's really this price, because just this product is $107. Like, wow, that is crazy. All right, and it's sealed, so I'm really excited to be using that. I'm not going to swatch this because it's a sleeping mask, so, and I'm have makeup on, so I'm sorry, but I will definitely try this because the price is like amazing. All right, beauties, for the last item that we get in our Boxy Charm is this mascara. This is the Petite and Pretty mascara. This retails for $16, and basically what it is a volumizing mascara that adds instant thickness and definition to it. So I'm going to open it. Okay, so the one is really nice. I cannot wait to try this. I'm really like picky about mascara, but I will definitely let you know if I really like it or not. So those are all the items that we get on our Boxy Charm, and I got an extra palette, eyeshadow palette, and this brushes. So I'm going to open this. This is from the brand Pretty Vulgar, and that palette looks like this. One thing that I see is this reminds me of the Naked palettes back in the days. It's really nice, really natural colors. You get a big mirror, so that's a plus, you know. So yeah, it's really nice. And then I also got this brushes. This is Luxie, I don't even know how to say that, Luxie G, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm telling you guys, I'm so bad at like pronouncing stuff. Ooh, so you get 3 brushes. Oh my god, they're like really soft. They feel like really high quality. I can't wait to try this on. So you get the Luxie 246, you get the Luxie 250, and then you get a foundation brush, and this is the Luxie 510. I'm going to leave the link down below if you guys want to check them out. It is super good if you're like into makeup, you want to get new makeup and don't pay out, and you don't want to pay a lot. This is really good. I really recommend this. Alright, beauties, so this is it. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already yet, and follow me in all my social medias. Should be somewhere here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, beauties. So let's jump.